Welcome to the instructions video for the Darcy's Law Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you calculate fluid flow through porous media like soil, sand, or rock formations. Whether you're analyzing groundwater movement, designing drainage systems, or working with petroleum reservoirs, this calculator makes complex flow calculations simple and fast. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter values for any three of the four variables in Darcy's law equation. Start by selecting which variable you want to solve for. Then enter your known values in the input fields. For discharge rate, enter the volume flow in cubic meters per day. For hydraulic conductivity, input the K value based on your soil or material type. The cross-sectional area field takes the perpendicular flow area in square meters. Finally, enter the hydraulic gradient, which is the head loss divided by the flow path length. Let's try an example. Enter a hydraulic conductivity of 10 meters per day, a cross-sectional area of 50 square meters, and a hydraulic gradient of 0.02. Click Calculate to see the resulting discharge rate displayed in the results section below. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.